Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
My name is Gani. Hello, Gani! I'm Tayo.
My friend Guido, he dreamed to give a real race car a pit stop.
Pit stop?
Mater, let's go! You're on!
You didn't know you had.
Yo, I've never been off-road!
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello.
The lightning comes down to the metal and stops so it doesn't hit you instead. If lightning really...
Aha, laugh it up. Real fun.
Till we get to California, we agreed to it.
All night? May I remind you, federal DOT.
Who'll be jamming now?
Pretty music.
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto? Correcto. Recto.
Rozijn. Wel te rusten.
Ik ben moe. Rustig.
Then how come I can do this?
Oh, Peter, please!
Ready, buddy?
Ready?
Because in opposite world, maybe that really means thank you.
Favorite thing.
It's the direction of my life when I started Miss Fritter's Racing School! And
Oh, number 7 is loose. Shoot Todoroki.
en route!
Trooper responded. Put it in reverse, pal. Make room for Mater.
It's the least I could do.
Whatever happens, you're a winner to me, you old daddy rabbit.
Thanks, dear.
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government. They're feeding us a...
Don't worry, Mama. My queen is very sad. I will beat it.
Sorry! Go! Go!
Son, that was some real racing out there. How'd you like to become the new face of Dynaco?
Sir.
Francesco lost a lot of momentum in the dirt.
Hey, you've still got it.
I'm asking you to leave.
Come on, I'm a race car. You're a much older race.
I'm having a tornado in a trailer park.
Can only be disarmed by the one who activated it.
Say it.
Deactivate.
The Rusty Tail's down here. I created a drink in your honor.
Yeah, the Rusty's medicated bumper.
Son chiquis. Hay noticias. El chico Jackson Storm le acaba de poner...
Going now, okay?
A little something to remember us by.
Ah!